Meaning of ionization.
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 Ionization. Ionization refers to the process of converting an atom or molecule into an ion by removing or adding one or more electrons. This results in the atom or molecule having a net electrical charge, either positive or negative, depending on whether electrons were removed or added. Ionization can occur through a variety of means, such as exposure to high-energy radiation or collisions with other particles, and it plays an important role in many physical and chemical processes, including the formation of plasmas and the behavior of materials in electric fields.